Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing a revision on some topics in GK. Today we are going to do the revision on topic 25 and 42. So topic 25, that is homes and places. In that there are names given to some homes and places. Okay. So we will do the revision on topic homes and places. See here, there are special names given to some homes and places. Means यहाँ पे कुछ homes और places के names दिए हैं, हमें बताना है कि उसको क्या बोला जाता है. What we say that. See here, first one is shelter for cars. Shelter for cars. So in this shelter for cars, can you guess what is the home places of car where we kept the car? क्या बता सकते हैं उन प्लेसेस के नाम जहाँ पे हम कार रखते हैं? Yes, it is shelter for cars. Yes, cars. The shelters where the cars are kept is known as garage. Is known as garage. Spelling is GARAGE. Garage. The shelter for cars is garage. After that, come to the next. That is second one. Shelter for aeroplanes. Shelter for aeroplanes means where the aeroplanes are kept. Can you know the name of that places? Yeah, it is known as hangar. It is known as hangar. Spelling is HANGER. Hangar. Okay, HANGER. Hangar. Spelling is hangar. Okay, after that come to the next, that is shelter for hands. Third one is what? Shelter for hands. Okay, can you guess where the hands are kept? Yes, hands are kept in a coop. Hands are kept in a coop. So see here, spelling of coop is COOP. The spelling of coop is COOP. 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 Okay, after that next come to the next one, that is shelter for rabbits. Fourth one, that is shelter for rabbits. So can you guess what is the place, name of the place where which is the shelter for rabbits? Yes, the name is what? Burrow. The name is what? Burrow. Spelling is BURROW. Borrow. Okay, BURROW. Borrow. Okay. Now after that come to the next, that is fifth one. In fifth one, see here, shelter for lions. Shelter for lions. So can you guess shelter for lions? The place where the lions are. Okay, stay. So the shelter for lions, the answer is lair. Answer is lair. Spelling is LAIR. Spelling is LAIR. Lair. Okay, LAIR. Lair. Answer is lair. The shelter for lion means lair is the shelter for a lion. After that come to the next, it is sixth one, shelter for a dog. Shelter for a dog. Can you know the place of the particular place of where the dogs are kept? Where the dogs are live, the name of that particular place is what? Kennel. 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 Kennel is the shelter for a dog. Okay, kennel is a shelter for a dog. Now come to the next, seventh one, shelter for a horse. Shelter for a horse. Can you know the place, name of the place which is the shelter for a horse? Yes, it is Astabal. It is what? Astabal. Spelling is Stable. Astabal. Stable. Astabal is the shelter for a horse. Now come to the next. That is 8th one. Shelter for orphans. Shelter for orphans means वो बच्चे जो अनाथ बच्चे होते हैं ना, उनके लिए कौन सी प्लेस होती है, जिस प्लेस पे अनाथ बच्चे रहते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? तो दैट इज़ नोन एज ऑर्फनेज. दैट इज़ नोन एज ऑर्फनेज. स्पेलिंग इज ORPHANAGE. ओके, आंसर इज ऑर्फनेज. Orphanage is a shelter for orphans. Now come to the next, that is 9th one. See here, shelter for soldiers. Shelter for soldiers. So can you know the place which is a shelter for soldiers? It is barrack. It is what? Barrack. Spelling is BARRACK. 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 Barrack is the shelter for soldiers. Okay, barrack is the shelter for soldiers. After that, come to the next, that is 10th one. Shelter for fish. Shelter for fish. So shelter for fish, can you know the name of the place where the fishes are kept? It is aquarium. It is what? Aquarium. Spelling is AQUARIUM. Aquarium. I repeat again. Shelter for fish. AQUARIUM. Aquarium is the shelter for fish. Okay, aquarium is the shelter for fish. Now come to the, by this we have completed topic 25 explanation. Now come to the next topic, that is 42. That is topic 42, inventions. See here, topic 42, inventions. Here, inventions are an important part of our everyday lives. Inventions are important part of our everyday life. People put to get their works done and hence make our life living more comfortable. मीन्स इन्वेंशंस क्या है बेटा? इन्वेंशन जो है एक ऐसा हमारी बॉडी का सबसे, हमारे एवरीडे लाइफ्स का, हर दिन की जो दिनचर्या होती है हमारी, उसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. क्या है? इन्वेंशन. क्यों? क्योंकि विद है, बिकॉज इन्वेंशन जो है मिनिमाइज द एफर्ट्स ऑफ द पीपल. हमारी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, जो एफर्ट्स है, उसको मिनिमाइज करते हैं. और उसके बाद हमारी लिविंग लाइफ है उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल बनाते हैं. ओके, दे मेक आवर लिविंग्स मोर कंफर्टेबल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Some few inventions are here which is very useful for us in our daily lives. So we will just go through on it. See here, I will tell you. First one is bulb. So see here, first one is bulb. Okay, first one is bulb. So bulb is invented by the person named Thomas Edison. Bulb is invented by the person named Thomas Edison. See here, it is Thomas Edison. Spelling is THOMAS. Thomas EDISON. Edison. Bulb, Thomas Edison. After I come to the next, television. Who is the inventor of television? Can you guess? Yes. Who invented the television? Television was invented by J.L. Baird. Television was invented by J.L. Baird. Spelling is JLBAIRD. Okay, JLBAIRD. D. Jailbird. After that come to the next, that is third one, telephone. See here, bulb, Thomas, telephone, television, jailbird. Now third is telephone. Who is the inventor of telephone? Can you know who is the inventor of telephone? Yes, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So spelling is Alexander. Alexander, and Graham, 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 Bell. I repeat again, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander, Alexander, Graham, and Bell. Alexander Graham Bell was the inventor of telephone. After that come to the next, that is fourth one, computer. Computer. Can you know who invented the computer? Yes, I have already taught you in the computer subject. See here, computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. So spelling is Charles, Charles, and Babbage, Babbage. Charles Babbage was the inventor of computer. Charles Babbage was the inventor of computer. Now come to the next, that is last one, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Can you know who invented the aeroplane? Yes, aeroplane was invented by Olive Wright and Wilbur Wright, or Wiley Wright and Wilbur Wright. These two persons have invented the aeroplane. So spelling is for Olive, Orville, Olive Wright, Wright, Wright. And the second one is what? Wilbur Wright, Wilbur, Wilbur Wright, Wright, I repeat again, Wilbur, Wilbur, and Wright, Wright. Right. So Wilbur Wright or Wiley Wright and Wilbur Wright was invented the aeroplane. So by this we have completed the explanation of inventions also, topic 42. Just we will go once again, we will go through on it. See here, I repeat, bulb is invented by Thomas Edison. Bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. Okay, and television was invented by J.L. Baird. Okay, third, telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, and the last, this is fourth one, computer. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. And last one, that is aeroplane. Aeroplane was invented by Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. So these are the inventors, those who have invented the things which are very useful and very important parts of our everyday life. Okay, by this we get our life way more comfortable. So students, thanks for listening me. For today we have done only this my two topics. In next video I will explain you the next topics. So please students, go through on it and complete your books and copies. Those who have not completed, please complete it. Now your schools are going to be open in few days. So whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit your books and copies to me for the correction. So I will send you the PDF. Please write it these two topics in your fair copy. Okay, write these two topics in your fair copy. Okay, then thanks. Bye.